Not
I
interesting.
hated sound coaster.
Where did Dolly Andrew see what you're thinking? No? Didn't want it?
Oh dear.
Huh?
Maybe she wants this when she gets used to it.
That's it.
Good idea.
She wants to go shopping, Andrew, look.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you going shopping? Show her what the basket's for, Andrew. Don't worry about the dolly.
Oh yeah, I know that. You have to get your baby. You have to bring your baby with you.
Oh, when you go shopping. Yeah, show her that.
Hey, look, look. Hey. I have the card. Hey, look this. Oh, see. Like this. She likes that with that.
Yeah. She just needs to get used to things, Andrew, a little bit.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, of course you do.
Candle.
Oh, candle. You don't eat that, Maria.
I want to going to use this cake out.
Oh, this week. I think it's caught in something. Andrew, will you pick... That's your toy now. You'll have to look after your toys now, Andrew. Won't you? I think she likes the boogie, Andrew, does she?
Because it's nice and handy.
Oh, hasn't she got a present under the tree that Margaret gave
Yeah,
her?
yeah.
Give it to her.
Okay. Okay. This is.
Look, Maria. Maria.
Oh, stand.
It doesn't matter. She'll tear it more. You help her open it. Show her. She probably doesn't know what to do with presents, does she? Doesn't.
Maria, you pull that from. You put that finger and pull it.
She wants you to fix that for her.
What?
Here.
The Scooby-Doo thing. Take it off the bus, Andrew. Put it down on the floor properly. You see, Maria's never had presents, Andrew, so she doesn't know that that's a present. She wants a tin of beans, I think. Maria? 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 Okay, just open the present with her, Andrew. You can fix that up afterwards. Bring her back a bit there so we can see her. Sit down on the floor.
Maria, look.
Maria? Maria?
Maria, that's that present. You and
She
Sit her
doesn't.
down with your arms, Mike. Sit her
Maria.
down on the floor with
You
you. You pull away.
put that down there.
You pull away.
Pull it over.
Yeah.
That's
You help
it.
her.
Wow, it's a new teddy bear.
Oh, who is it? Winnie the Pooh. Maria likes the paper. She's just checking.
Is there any more presents in it?
What's she doing?
See, putting that in the fire. Sticks.
Oh, don't let her open those, Andrew.
Don't let her open those.
Okay, don't.
Give her the teddy bear.
Hey,